Today you will need 6 of the floral foams from Dollar Tree. And then you'll need 8 bundles of sunflowers, whatever color of your choice, and 2 of the onion grass. I'll use the onion grass for the top, and any kind of ribbon that you would like to put on for the bow. So here we're going to start out. We're going to put them in order how we would like them to go. We're going to glue them. And I line 3 on each side. And I'm actually going to take my knife and cut the floral foam on each side, or each corner on the top and the bottom, so it can kind of round it off so it's not so square, because it is a pineapple, not a square block. But anyway, we're just cutting it off so we can get ready to place the flowers. I went ahead and did the shape before I glued them, but you can do it however you like it. If you want to do the glue first and then cut the edges off, but I thought it was easier just to go ahead and cut it, make sure I get it how I want it first before I glued it. Okay, we're going to use E6000 plus the hot glue. We're going to put E6000 on first. And of course it takes 24 hours to completely dry. So we'll use the hot glue also, so it can go ahead and hold it in place so you can go ahead and get it done. And on this one, I'll put just the glue on the side. And I'm going to glue the first one side by side. So it'll be 2, 2, and 2. It doesn't take long to stick because you're going to use the hot glue that's going to go ahead and hold it until the E6000 dries. Then after we get the sets of 2s, we're gonna glue the sets together so it'll make 3. We're gonna glue those 3 together. So we're going to go ahead and get all of them done together. Once we get done with the gluing, we're going to take the bouquet of sunflowers and we're going to cut them off. I'm going to say like 1 inch or 2. And then we're going to just place them on the foam randomly, no certain order. I didn't want them to be lined up, so I kind of went just random on them. This is just to show you that they're placed. I did the sides and the top with the part that's facing you, and the side, and then I did a couple of them on the bottom. Here it is all together with all my flowers. And we're gonna take the onion grass and we're gonna cut the flowers. Well, you can pull them off, they're kind of easy. Cut the stickers off of the flowers. Well, off of the onion grass. Then you can just kind of pull the flowers off because they'll come off pretty easy. We just want the plain grass, none of the flowers or stickers. And I place them at the top, kind of in the center. Then you make your bow however you would like out of your ribbon. And then I also glued that on. I glued it straight on the grass. I did the same with the E6000 and hot glue to go ahead and get the hold for video purposes and so it can go ahead and hold. Then you just hold it on a second until it dries. It won't take long. Then I take my nautical rope and I make my hanger on the back. Glue E6000 and hot glue, and that's it. And there you have it, your pineapple sunflower wreath. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you on the next one.